Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. David and I like making burgers. Either we grill them on a barbecue or simply in a skillet inside. On the website, there are a lot of delicious burger recipes to choose from, such as Hawaiian teriyaki, California, Mexican, Bronto, and more. Now here's another fabulous one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my shrimp sliders. OMG! These little guys are so tasty. With a gorgeous mix of ingredients and spices, along with a spicy mayo, these sliders are pure yumminess. They totally deserve to be on your to-do list this summer. So my friends, let's get cooking. In the bowl of a food processor, we'll add half a pound of shrimp, a couple tablespoons of both red peppers and green onions, freshly squeezed lemon juice, followed by Old Bay seasoning, then mild paprika, some lemon zest, plus ground sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a large clove of garlic cut in half. Now, we'll process until the ingredients are finely chopped and the mixture turns into a thick paste, about 30 seconds. And let's not forget to clean the sides of the bowl. We'll transfer the mixture to a medium bowl, and as you see, this is the consistency we want. To this, we'll add the other half a pound of shrimp, the remaining 2 tablespoons of red peppers, as well as green onions, some fresh chopped dill, and finally, a 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs. We'll combine all the ingredients until nicely blended before adding another 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, mix again, and add the last 1/4 cup. It makes it easier that way to blend it into the mixture. Next, we'll scoop some of it, about 2½ tablespoons, and form a patty with our hands generously greased with canola oil. We'll place a little guy on a baking sheet lined with a silicone mat while making the others. When we're done, we'll cover with plastic wrap and transfer to the fridge for at least 30 minutes, but ideally, 2 hours is better. Meanwhile, we'll make the mayo. In a small bowl, we'll add my homemade mayo, and to make it from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen. And also sriracha. I use 1 teaspoon, but adjust to your liking. We'll simply stir until nicely mixed, then cover and chill until ready to serve. All right, let's cook. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add about 1 tablespoon of canola oil. And when it's hot, we'll add the shrimp patties. We'll grill them for 5 minutes before flipping the patties and grilling the other side until nicely browned, about 3 to 4 minutes. We'll spread the mayo on the top and bottom buns, place lettuce, then the patties on top, followed by tomato slices. And my friends, these are our shrimp sliders. Incredibly flavorful, they are a fantastic appetizer to make any time. With great ingredients and just the right amount of seasonings, these little guys are so delicious. This is another tasty way to enjoy shrimp. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!